Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch dryer and on the display it's giving you an EA3 error and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, what it is this is a low voltage error. So basically the dryer is not getting enough volts of electricity to run properly, so it gives you this error. So the first thing to do is to check the electrical source and make sure that you're actually getting above 90 volts. So especially if you're using like a small extension cord, or if you're on some kind of autonomous power, you're not connected to the grid, things like this you can end up getting geeked out electricity that's causing this error. So you can basically, if you're using a regular plug with no extension cord or anything like that, you can just check that plug with a multimeter and make sure you're getting more than 90 volts. If you're not getting more than 90 volts, it's normal that you're getting this error. You need to get this outlet replaced, or just use a different outlet that's giving you above 90 volts. If it is above 90 volts, then the issue is with the dryer itself, and you're going to need to replace the electronic control board because that is throwing up this erroneous error. And if it comes to that, I'll put a link in the description to a tutorial in terms of how to replace the electronic control board.